Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to integrate InfinitePay.io with your e-commerce store. By integrating InfinitePay.io, you can offer customers seamless payment options and streamline your online sales process. So let's get started. First of all, log into your InfinitePay.io account using your username and password. Once logged in, explore the integrations or developer tools section. This is where you can find options for integrating InfinitePay.io with your e-commerce platform. Choose your e-commerce platform from the list of supported integrations. InfinitePay.io supports integration with platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and many more. Follow the instructions to download and install the InfinitePay.io integration plugin for your chosen platform. This plugin will facilitate communication between your store and InfinitePay.io. Configure payment settings within your e-commerce platform. Set InfinitePay.io as a payment gateway option and enter your InfinitePay.io API credentials. Perform a test transaction to ensure the integration is working correctly. This includes making a purchase on your e-commerce store and verifying the payment process. Once integrated, manage its orders and transactions seamlessly. Direct payments, refunds, and customer integrations directly within your e-commerce platform. And there you have it. You have successfully integrated InfinitePay.io with your e-commerce store. Now you can offer your customers a secure and efficient payment experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.